Hello students, welcome to MBBS HUB. Another important update for the NEET students about regarding the refund process. And NTA has released the public notice at the 7th July at the night. And in this, it is told that almost around 10 lakh students has been given the submitted the details. So everyone, please give the details so that the refund process will be continued and will be sorted. And for the last date to submit the details, it is the 14th of July, and after the 7 days has been increased. So everyone, please give the bank details to the NTA. Okay, everyone do, and go into the website and fill the website, fill the bank details in the website and submit it. So for it, the 14th July is the last date. Okay, and this is the update given by the NTA at the night. So everyone, I am telling again, please give the bank details so that the refund process will start and continues. And so for so many students, the refund fee didn't came. So the NTA will give all at once. So the people who have submitted, the NTA will give to them. So this is the video, and thank you for watching till the end, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much, guys.